So first few minutes. Okay, see you in a minute. Thank you. This is Layla, 15 minutes after she's been born, having a bit of a cry.
A bit uncomfortable.
Done amazingly well. She came out the wrong way round, didn't you? She's got a pretty good head of hair as well. Like your sister. Eh? You like your sister? She's chatty. She's chatty. Yeah.
Oh, my darling. Hey, little Layla. Welcome to the world.